and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. So today we have another wig review for you, and this time I am going to be reviewing a wig from the It's a Wig line, and the style that I am going to be wearing is the Yonas wig, and she has that 5G HD lace. Hopefully you can see that. If you're interested in what she looks like, then stay tuned. I will come back with more information. So she does come in different colors, and they're always listed on the stock card. They have their 1Bs, 2, 6, 13. They do have some specialty colors like the blazing orange, the deep red, dark walnut, and the golden light caramel colors. But today I am going to be reviewing the color P4 2730. And so we'll find out more information in a little bit, so stay tuned. Here's the wig inside out. We have an adjustable band, we have a comb at the nape of the wig, and 2 additional combs on the right and left side. Here is the high definition lace, the 5G high definition lace. We'll talk more about that later on in the video. Yonas does come with baby hairs around the perimeter, right up against your 5G high definition lace. She can hold up to 400 degrees worth of heat, anywhere from 350 to 400. So you can add heat to this particular wig. Here is Yonas after I place the wig on my head. Again, the color is P4 2730. This is the color. The high definition lace, this is what she looks like. Hopefully you were able to see that. And we're going to do a side to side view. Now this is just simply with the wig out of the pack, placed on my head. I cut the lace off. Remember I said I was going to give you more information about the 5G high definition lace that was actually placed around the perimeter of this particular wig. You should see some information rolling up quickly if it isn't already showing on your computer screen or your cell phone. There's the information regarding HG and why it is so special. So take a look at the information and let me know what you think in the comment section below. So I do like Yonas, but I am going to take a pick to this particular wig. I don't know if I'm going to pick it out or if I'm going to use my comb here to kind of fluff out the curls. We'll see what that looks like in a second. I wanted you to see the comparison between me starting to pick the curls out versus wearing it the way it came out of the pack. So I've started fluffing this a little bit more, and see how the curls stay in, and it provides just a very luminous full wig. Again, it doesn't matter, you can wear it straight out the pack. This is the side that I did not touch, and this is where I began to pick the particular wig out. I'm going to keep going and see what happens. So tell me what you think in the description box. I want you to type in either out of the pack or picked out. That way I'll know if you prefer just straight out the pack, the look with the curls untouched, or pick out means you like the pick out version of this particular wig. So I'll look for your comments below. I do like the bigger curls. Again, I used a simple pick and I picked the curls out, and this is what she looks like. Check the description box for more information pertaining to Yonas, and I'll see you in the next wig review here on Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. Take care, everybody.